Hello guys, in this video I am going to make a web design banner. So let's start it. First we have to take a size of a banner. So for that go to the file menu and then select new, and then width should be 1000 pixels and height should be 320 pixels, and then click OK. Then you can see the size of the banner. So our next step is take a rectangle box tool and draw a rectangle like this. Okay, so you can change the color of the box as well. From the box below you can see select whatever color you want, but here I am going to select a gray color and like this, little bit darker, and we can change the color of the box later as well, and just press alt plus backspace like this. So our next step is to don't forget to press enter as well. Okay, again now I am going to take another rectangle tool like this. You can see it. Now what we have to do is next that first I am going to select the color of the box. Orange or red, I am going with red here, little bit darker. Okay, then what our next step is, and what I want is I want to give a little bit curve here, not for whole box, just one side of the box. But for that what we have to do, mostly when you click on the box there is a link button and it always show click, but we have to remove this by pressing another time click, and this should not be linked at all, and select this like 37 or whatever the how much curve you want on that side, it totally depends on you, and just press enter. You can see it, here is our curve on only one side. After that what we have to do is just close this property box and make sure what we have to do, just take a press enter and just press Ctrl plus T like this and just rotate it like 10 like this. Okay, but first for that we have to increase the size of the box as well, like this and like this, like this. Okay, now our next step is move it like this, like this, like this. You can see it little bit not right here, so I am adjusting it like this. You can see it, you can see it. Okay, I think that's it. Little bit I have to increase the size of the like this. Yes, now it's perfect. After that press enter. Sorry. Now what we have to do is please give name red. Okay, now what we have to do next is just take a copy of this layer. How you can do it, just press Ctrl plus J like this, and what we have to do is we have to change the color of the box, and I'm going to select a white color. No, I took a select the wrong one. Okay, here is a copy. Okay, red one I'm going to, okay, red one like this, and I'm going to put this layer before the red original one. Okay, like this. You can see it, I can't see my white layer. How? For that you can just little bit adjust it like this. Okay, I have to increase the press enter. Okay, what our next step is take another copy of the red one. Okay, I think we have to change the name of this. I think white one. This is a white one. Okay, press enter. Now it's up to you. If you want to take a copy of the red one, you can take it. I am going to take a copy of the red one. Okay, Control J again, and please don't, and then press Control T, and this time don't, and click rotate, click left click and rotate 180 degree. You can see it, and just rotate it like this. Okay, and I'm going to move the position of this. Okay, basically what I want is, I want this side on the upper side like this. You can do it like this. Yeah, I'm good. Okay, press enter. So what our next step is, take another copy, and don't forget to change the name of the layer again, because otherwise it will be little bit confusing. And I'm going to check below, right below. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to take another copy of this layer, Control J, and this time we have to select the pen tool. Why we are doing this? Wait a bit, you will know. Okay, here I am wrong here. Okay, what we have to do, we have to select, click this and this, and here and here, here and here. Okay, and just press enter. What we have to do, we don't need to select another layer for a movement. What we have to do, we have to put this layer after the rectangle one tool. Okay, like this. You can see it, our white layer is now popping up. Now our next step is, go to the red below layer and take another copy of this layer. How you can do it? Just press Ctrl plus J, and what we have to do, we have to change the color of this layer. We have to, but make sure it should be in the right color, a little bit darker shade, but not that darker. Just take it, and what we have to do, take a move tool and move little bit like this. Okay, I think you can see the texture of the red color. Okay, then press enter. Now the designing portion is complete. Now we are going to move on the left side. What we have to do is, here we have to take a logo. We have to put a logo here, and I already selected, or take it. You can, if you have your own logo, just select it. And how you can do it, just Control A and Control C, and make sure your logo should be in PNG format. Otherwise you have to cut the background before put it on the original layer. Now after that, Control V. Here is our logo, and what we have to do is, we have to change the size of the logo as well. It's little bit longer. What we have to do, we have to press Control T again, and don't forget to press Shift while you are changing the size of the picture or anything. Just press Shift and click together and drag it like this. Okay, and press enter, and make sure you convert this layer into a smart object. Why I'm saying this? Because if you want to change the size of the logo again in the future, it won't be blur. So I want to change the color of the logo as well. How I can do it? I'm going to double click on the layer and go to the overlay, cover overlay, and press again, and I think I want the red color, and press OK and move it here a little bit. Remember, we can change the size of this logo in future as well. Now I'm going to write the name of my company or agency. That's it. Now whatever next step is, I want to add another video of it. Yes, like this. Here it is. Make sure it should be on PNG file, otherwise it will take a lot of time to change into a okay, what we have to do, how we adjust it, this like this, put it here still. Yeah, okay. Okay, we have to change the color of this as well. How you can do it, double click it and go to the color layer and it's changed already. Okay. That's it. I think if you add more icon you can add it, but I think I'm okay with 2. Okay, now one step is missing. What is it? We have to add a picture as well here. How we can do it? I already select the picture. You can select it. There are so many free website as well. I will tell you in coming videos about that. So I think I should delete this one. Okay, now here is our, okay, how you can edit, just be, here is our picture, and just select, adjust it like this, put it here, okay, and press enter, and left click and create clip now. Okay, why is not clear very much? Red one, where is our red one layer? We have to put that layer below the red one. Okay, okay, here it is, and again click the red and click the red. Like this, again you can adjust it like this. Okay, press enter. Now it's fine. One more thing is, okay, what we have to do is click it and make sure it star, click on the star button, and number of sides should be 4, and click OK. And we have to adjust it by clicking, as I told you, Ctrl T, and move it small. I think it's still bigger, like this, and enter, move to. Okay, I'm going to put it here, and you can add email address as well here, this side. Let me show you how you can do it. One here, one here, that looks okay. And let me add a website name as well here, whatever name, www.youtube.com, and change the color of the box as well, like this, little, not too much. I think this is fine. Put it here like this. I think this is little bit bigger. Okay, that's it. And our all-in-one launcher tool, one more here, put it here. Okay, I think that's it for now. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video as much as you can. Bye.